So what is a funnel? Now, you've probably heard me talk about this so many times and you're thinking, what's this funnel thing that Sally keeps going on about? Well, let me just assure you, it's not only me going on about it. I've just been to Funnel Hacking Live over in Nashville, USA, and there was 5,000 people that were talking about funnels. It is an absolute massive, massive thing now, and it is absolutely taking the marketing world by storm. But what is it and how can we use it? Well, I'll explain. A funnel is basically an automated digital series that takes a person through a sales process. So you think about it. What happens right now is someone wants to find out about your product. They might land on your website. At some point, they might give you a call. You offer them something. They buy that thing, and then you might offer them something a little bit more, and then you might offer them something a little bit more. You ascend a customer through your program to higher price products. A funnel is just a digital way of doing that. It can be really simple. It could just be a simple digital download, which just drops people onto your database. It could be a digital download, which then gives them the option of booking a scheduled call with you. It could actually be something as a digital download, which then goes to a low price product with an order bump of, say, an extra £20 add-on, and then to a higher price product from that. You could even have downsells from there as well. It could even be something where they apply to join your program. It could be a consultation funnel where they actually pay for you to create a consultation plan for them. A funnel pretty much can be anything that any business is using right now. It could even be a shopping cart where they buy stuff from you in retail. So a funnel is so many different things, but what I don't understand is why so many small businesses are not using it. If you're a bricks and mortar business, I'm in the real estate agency world, if you're a bricks and mortar business, it's so valuable to add on that digital marketing entity. So you can build your database, you can nurture your database, you can take them through the value ladder, you can help yourself by generating more sales and help them realize all the different things that are available, and you can basically take your customers to the next level of serving them. It is so valuable, and yet so many people are ignoring it. Why? Because they're scared of a little bit of new piece of technology, or I don't understand. Do you know what? This is easier than a website. You've all got websites. This is easier than a website. It's one single page. You can create it in 20 minutes. It is so much easier than a website, and you need them. Not just one, you need 2, 3, 4, 5 different funnels for your business. So over the next few days, I'm going to be sharing with you a few different tips on how you can use funnels in your business. And trust me, once you get this right and you get one working, you will be amazed. Just literally opening your inbox and seeing people dropping on your database, buying things, ordering stuff, money going in the bank. It's like, wow, it's just like you don't even need any staff. It's amazing. You're absolutely going to love it. So I'm going to share with you over the next few days some top tips around funnels. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for listening.